My rod's about to explode.
Are we in a good shape now? What's going on?
We're tiring her out. If you get in there, dude, she's gonna book it down there. This is for, okay, slowly start walking that way. No, wait, actually don't, not yet. Let me get her more back and then you go. Yep. Tighten the tension. Pull it a little more. No, not yet. Let me. I love this fish. She's not going anywhere. She's staying here. Oh my god. What the hell's happening to my tension? No! Okay, I got it. Guys, my tension's messed up. She's starting to get tired out. Wait, I'm gonna bring her a little more back. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, you know what, stand in. Oh, wait, let me get her closer. This is, you know what, this is perfect, Mustafa. Because it's tiring her out. It's easier for us when you get her. Come on. I'm tight. Okay, it's not. Yo, one's coming up soon.
Come on, bring it.
Yeah, I'll bring it. Shit, she's going. You can't let her go like this. I'm just gonna pull her. Ah, no. This can't be happening. No.
You give her energy back.
I'm tying her out, buddy. Oh shit. Hey guys, come with me, Okay, I'm gonna think that she's gone. But her not going. Well, honey, you're not videoing her jumping, but you're videoing. Look back there. Bring it here. Come in the water. Look back there. She's jumping. She's not going anywhere. Nah. Look. See her? Yeah. Oh, she's tired. She's not putting that much of a fight into it like last time. Yeah, she's getting closer. Yeah, no noise, guys. She's coming closer. Let her. Nah, she's coming here. I don't care if she wants to or not. She's coming. Doesn't show anything. Oh, come on, fishy. Oh, she came. Okay, Mustafa, don't go in the water. Perfect. She's tired. She's flipping over. Look at that. You guys can kind of see her.
Where?
Right there. Look at the tail right there.
Is that?
Yeah, that's her.
Oh, I thought it was down
Mustafa.
there.
No, she's upside down. Don't move, Mustafa. Mustafa, okay, I'm gonna bring her onto shore. Shway. See? Okay, shway. Go, get her. And that's how it's done, guys. We have gotten us Chinook salmon. Thank you very much. That's female Chinook salmon. Is it female? Yep. And that's how it's done around here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.